Here, you just all deserve a clap and a half. There.
So do I like smack myself in the face for the half?
No! Have you not watched GT? No! Have you not watched GT Live?
I watched GT Live. I just really thought it would be funny if my half clap was just me smacking myself.
No!
And I did it.
No! Wow.
Too bad. It's already done.
No!
It's already done. You can't stop me. You can't stop me. I'm too powerful. I am a god.
Oh yeah, I managed to confuse Ice Saturday. Remember I said I was animating backwards and you're just like so confused.
I'm just like, what? How? Just like, how is that possible?
It is
possible. Your secrets to me so that I may never use them. Oh, crackers are back and that's a good thing. Pop those joints. Pop the air bubbles that form within them.
Just remembered of that idea we had for Neo Tabi for when he pops his knuckles.
Oh, it sounds like a bunch of paint cans.
Yes, and everyone's just looking at him like, what? The way I said pop those joints, he sounded like a report. Just wow.
Fun that, child. Let's stretch those legs. Remember to breathe evenly. Sorry, cut off at the end even, so it sounded like and his name is. So I just really had the John Cena theme playing in my head. So it may or may not have violent tendencies, people it cares about are injured, but hey, that's just a theory.
A game no.
Animation theory. Thanks for watching. Go away.